to shine. I'm ready to shine, yeah. My niggas ain't on their own, so you know we gotta get that. Y'all niggas say shoot your shot with a Draco, no kickback. There's soldiers out here on the block serving this and that. My nigga, it's okay if you ain't never been through that. Nah, I gotta stay on time.
The mechanic.
Hey, how y'all doing? Barrio Buildz family, we're back at it again with another little video. Got your boy Marco, you already know me. Then Barrio Buildz, budget build friendly. We're notorious for that, you already know. But today, we got you a nice little surprise. Another project car for the channel. The 92 Hatchback Civic SI. That's what we're going to be doing. I couldn't give up the opportunity on buying this vehicle, and that's what's going to be on. So we'll see where it goes, how it turns out, and hope y'all stay for the ride. Sheesh. What you got there? Clean ass invite.
Shit box right here.
In and out? Something? Hey. Let's go do this review real quick.
For what?
You already know why.
The SI or what?
Sheesh! We're walking there. The car's a mile away.
Like rock march.
We got a ruck march there. Sheesh! This is the SI. The hatch. The plug car. So this is it right here. Can't really complain. It's definitely gonna need some work, but hey, it is what it is. That's what a project car's for, right? Excuse the tape on the side already. I already had to replace the window. It had a big ass crack in the center, so we're gonna get this back up to spec and daily this every day. Look at that fresh weed whacker wire to hold up the bumper. But hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna show you the interior.
Yeah, I didn't even notice.
Alright guys, it's the interior. Not too shabby. I already had to clean it up a little bit from getting it, but it's pretty complete. Can't complain. I do need a glove box over there though. But other than that, it looks nice. Back to the engine bay. Don't be surprised right now when you guys see a LSX. Could you hold this for me real quick?
Yeah.
Don't be surprised when you see a LS in here. It has a Ferrari engine right now, so you know we're gonna downgrade to keep it simple. But this is the Ferrari engine it has. Yeah. No. Right here, look at that. Right here we have a supercharger. Right here is the twin turbos.
You can see the name of it.
Right here is where we have that E85.
Wait, did you just drive this?
Yeah, but
There's the name right there. That's the name.
well, look at that. Looks clean. 3-inch headers that we already have installed. Hey, we're dreaming, but it is what it is. But on the real note, all the sidebar coming off, I mean, it is what it is. The car is fairly decent for a 92.
So quick release right here.
That's it.